What's going on, guys? I'm back from vacation. I'm back in the office. You can see I've changed some things up, added some things to the new office. Or crazy here in the office. I got one trade in this morning on TEVA. You can see how it all goes down live in this video. Stay tuned. So taking a look here at TEVA, going short below this $20 area. You can see getting that support there at the $20.05 right now. Kind of holding some support. It's been kind of bouncing there. Looking for that move below $20 here. So watching it closely, seeing if we can get that drop down lower. And looks like we're going to get it here in a second. Short. The reason I want to short it below $20 is I don't want to short right now because it might bounce. So I'm going to keep an eye on it, and I'm not going to short it until I see some weakness, see it crashing through that $20 area. So it's kind of building right there. A couple buyers stepping up there at $20.07. So going to give it a second here if it wants to crash. I'm not going to risk it. And there we go, getting that crash. Looks like we're going to break 20. Something there at $19.99 now. Got a 500 share, smaller size. First day back in the office after the cruise. It's not going to get too crazy today. I got some business I need to handle today. It's Monday, so I got to really get some things done back from the cruise, back from vacation. It's time to get back to work and handle some business. And you can see TEVA dropping down in that 1990 area. That was a previous support there earlier in the morning there at 1990 pre-market. And it's kind of bouncing there. We'll see if we can't get that crack through the 1990 area. Looking for that move back down to the 1975. That was previous resistance there, the 1975 area. So that'll be a nice move, 1975 if that happens. So we're kind of bouncing this 1995 area. It's kind of a little bit worried about that, but I think we'll get a crack through it either way. So we'll see. TEVA's got bad news. It got downgraded. I looked for this stock. It's been the last couple of days. It's been crashing. Got bad news. Today it looks like another red day for it. They got downgraded by a couple different companies. So I think the price target right now is like 15 bucks. So got a ways to go still. So we're kind of bouncing right here at $20. If it goes above $20, I'm going to cover kind of 1995 support holding for now. I was kind of worried about that. I knew that support area was there. It's kind of a risky bet getting in there at $20. If I cover, it'd be a small loss, kind of cover there at the $20 and $20.05 area, probably $25 loss. So not a big deal. So I got into this kind of knowing where my stop was going to be there at the $20.05 area, maybe $20.08 if I need to. I'll probably, if anything, cover even faster there at the $20.01. $20 resistance holding it down for now, so that's a good sign. So we just need to get through this 1995 area here. If we can get through the 1995 area, you can see a buyer sitting there, but I think it's going to just crash here. So watching it, 1995 needs to break. If 1995 breaks, see this move back down to the 1980 area. So in there, 1995 getting sold into. There's the sell-off. Come on through 1990, get this move down to 1980, and look at that big lot of selling there. There we go, crashing down. 1980 now, breaking through that 1990 support. Looking for this move back to the 1980 area. 1983 now, 1982, there it is. 1981. Need a little bit further to go. Need some more panic selling here. And 1981 printing there. 1982. I'm going to give it a little bit of time, see if I can't get this move back 1975 area. So we're getting that bounce there, the 1980 area, back up to the 1990 area. Might have been greedy here. I still think this has room to fall. If this gets back above 1995, I'll cover there. But if it holds below 1995, you can see that moving average kind of pulling down with it. I'm going to look for that moving average kind of act as resistance there. So 1995 area, need that to break. If 1995 area wants to hold, if it wants to go higher, probably going to cover here. Look for this move lower. Got to get below this 1995 area. I think we'll get a nice sell-off. And then we're back 1989 now, kind of bouncing 1990 area. Got to get through this 1985. 1985 would be a good area to break. That breaks down. I think we're going to see 1975. No problem here. I don't want to go red today. I know I talked about it. I know people were like, when do you ever go red? And I'd rather be green than go red. And you'll see. It's all live. I'm doing this. Everything's live right now. I'm trading this whole entire thing live. There's no witchcraft or magic behind this. So if this 1980 area breaks, like I said, look over that move to 1975. I'll cover there for $100 in profit. And looks like we're going to get it right here through 1980. There it is. Breaking through 1980, 1970 now, 1978. Beautiful. Come on, 1975. Let's go. If 1975 breaks, might get a move back to 1970 area. So watching it closely here. 1976 and 1975 bouncing there. And there we go, 1973 now. Someone kind of supporting it once again. I'll look to cover here at 1975. And gonna take profit there. So you can see I made $120 there on TEVA. Quick one trade this morning. I got things I got to do. I got to get out of here. I got to go to some meetings back from reality. Now it's down to 1969 there, breaking down there, 1969, holding now. Still made $100 there, 500 shares, small size, small risk. Not a huge reward, but still better than what I risked. So I would have risked, 25, 30 bucks, made 100 bucks. So it's pretty good risk reward, I feel like. It's pre-market. I've only been trading about 10 minutes. Like I said, I got things I got to do today. So this is probably my only trade for the day. Probably going to finish this video right here, right now. And I want you guys to see it all went down live. Everything was real. Nothing. There's no magic behind this. And you can see my trades there. Getting in there short at $19.99 and covering there at $19.75. Beautiful trade here. One trade, $120 in profit. So I'm happy with that. 500 shares, small size. And I'm done for the day. I will talk to you guys later on today. If not, maybe tomorrow. But I think I'm going to take my profit and run. I will talk to you guys later.